Hello everyone, this is me Azaz. So once again I came here.
जीत तू जान तू जहान तू हो गई इतिहास का ताज तू पन्नों में रहेगा माजी के सबको लेना साथ जोड़ के आंधी और तूफान से
Hello everyone, this is me Azaz. So once again I came here. So I came here for meet some people are doing work of tailoring. So I will meet for some people with some people. So I will ask why you are doing this tailoring work. So I will ask to him why you are doing of tailoring work, so you can see and I will show you some people are doing work. So first of all I ask to him, hey bro, hey bro,
Yes,
where are you from?
India.
India or where?
मैं चेहरा तो दिखाओ मुझे।
Yeah, you're from, I guess you're from UP or where?
मतलब इंडिया बोलना।
UP.
सॉरी यार।
So I told him where I'm from. So can you say where I'm from?
यूपी।
Okay. He said I am from UP, and then you can see my backside and front side. Everybody are doing hard work. This is the hard work. So you know hard work. What is the hard work or what is the smart work? So I know. I hope you don't know, but I know what is the hard work and what is the smart work. Everybody are doing hard work and every peoples are coming for work, and then so I came here from Bihar, everybody are coming from UP, and then you all people seen here, and everybody are doing this tailoring work, and so I came for met to all with people. So I met all with people. So you all people can see here and this hall, and everybody are doing.
Hello guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you from, bro? So they went there outside, and then you can see everybody are doing this work. And guys, I came for maid, so I came here for maid to all people. So I met, and then everybody are coming from Bihar, and then everybody are coming from UP. Why? You know why everybody are coming from UP and Bihar? Because Bihar don't has money, so everybody are coming here for earning money, and everybody are coming for doing hard work. This is very difficult work, and then you can see, and and there's people don't have money, so everybody are coming here because they're and his parents don't have money, so he came here from UP. And you know why he came here? Because they're because his parents don't have money, so he came here from UP and for working this work, and everybody are coming here for working, and then I came here for working. You know why I came here for working here of tailoring? Because I my parents don't have money, so I came here for doing this difficult work, and everybody are coming from Bihar, everybody are coming here for doing this difficult work from Bihar, because everybody Bihari, and because Bihar people don't have money, so everybody are coming anywhere for earning money. So money earning is very important in this time. So I want to say something. So I have one thing. So last, uh, and I want to say, every peoples don't have money of Bihar, and Bihar everybody are, and the Bihar people are going anywhere for earning money. You know why? Because Bihar people don't have money, so everybody are going anywhere for doing hard work. So hard work is very difficult work. So I know, but you don't know what is the hard work and what is the smart work. But you don't know, but I know what is the hard work. Hard work is very difficult work, and then smart work is very easy work. And hope you know. And then I want to share some question about this work. This work is very difficult work. I am doing 12 hours in the day. Every day I'm doing this work. This is very difficult work for doing and for earning. I came for earning money, and then I want to say to some people doing, and some people to saying about us. Azad, how can I speak English? Azad cannot speak English. Everybody are saying that Azad cannot speak English because Azad don't have education. Without education, how can he speak English? Azad cannot speak English. So I want to say to him, my dear bro, I can speak English because I have knowledge, so I can speak English. You don't have knowledge, so you cannot speak English, but I have knowledge, so I can speak English. I don't have confidence. Yeah, I know. I don't have confidence, but I have knowledge, so I can speak easily. I can speak English. And then you can see some people came here, and in the dawn say, and you can see some people are working here. Everybody are working here for this work. And you can see in the hall 15 people are working here. Totally 15 machine of tailoring. Everybody are doing this hard work. Every day doing this hard work is very difficult work. And then you can see, I will show you, and I want to show you. And this is very difficult work, so for me. So I said this about this difficult work. So hope you understood what I want to say and what I saying to all people. So thank you for clicking this video, and thank you for watching me, and thank you for watching this video, and see you some other day. Bye bye, take care. And then yeah, I have some question. Once again I can speak. So yeah, I know I am not speak very well in this 2023, but yeah, one day I will speak very well. Inshallah, I will bet I will believe. I do believe on my Allah. Inshallah, one day I will speak very well and very fast. So okay, thank you for clicking this video, and thank you for bye. Take care. Thank you.